Have you ever wondered what colors make yellow? Yellow is often associated with lemons, sunshine, and happiness. But did you know that yellow can be made by mixing two other colors? On the color wheel, yellow is a primary color, along with red and blue. So to answer the question in the realm of additive color mixing of what two colors make yellow, you can mix equal parts of red and green light to create yellow. This method is often used in lighting and digital displays. However, in the world of pigments and paint, yellow is a primary color and can't be created by mixing other colors. This is a key concept for artists and designers who work with physical media. It's fascinating to see how color mixing differs between light and pigments. For example, when working with paints, mixing yellow with other colors can create a range of hues. Mixing yellow with blue will give you green, while mixing yellow with red will give you orange. Experimenting with color mixing can be a fun and creative way to enhance your artistic projects. Whether you're painting a masterpiece or designing a graphic, understanding how colors interact is essential. Now you know what colors make yellow. Try mixing your own colors and see what you can create. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more colorful insights and creative tips.